Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit, in my case my Spotify one, and enter your current login method. Lastly, select Edit button and make your changes. Then hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!